दादाला पण घे. If anyone is interested.
हाय, कशी आहेस? Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeras at Bhogles.
at Bhogles. Yes, at Bhogles. A very good morning to everybody. The moment I got up, I started editing, so I can upload the vlog for you guys. Sorry we couldn't upload yesterday. Trying to upload it today when we are in network, and today we have a lot to do as well.
Baby, come.
I'm
Coming
down.
right in my eye, the sun.
Where are we going today?
Today, आज आमच्या खालच्या घरी सत्यनारायणची पूजा आहे. सो आणि सगळे कझन्स माझे आणि सगळे आम्ही एकत्र आलोय.
After very long time we all together.
सो चला आता पाहू आजचा दिवस
कसा जातो.
सकाळ सकाळ एवढी एनर्जी कुठून येते. आणि बाबू, व्हॉट बुक आर यू रीडिंग डार्लिंग? Which book are you reading?
What you say?
The Phoenix.
Fantasy book
Oh,
of Gary Nemos Pilgrim.
okay.
So guys, I just received a call from my client, now of course turned friend, whose wedding I had done during COVID 2020 with the names Adrian and Mrudul. So they were like, we just saw your post on Instagram that you are in Kudal and we are in Kudal and you have to come for darshan at our place. And they are like, we will not take any excuses. You just come to our place as soon as possible. Now since Satyanarayan Puja is in the evening, so Puja and I decided, let's go now in the afternoon, meet them, and then come back for Puja and everything that's going to be there this evening. So guys, we all are dressed up and now we are going to Adrian and Mrudul's place, and along with us we have Hriday's cousin Urvi. Urvi, hi ka sagla na?
Hi ka baby. थोडी
लाजते ती, हा. Cute आहे. Chalo. So now we'll go directly to Adrian and Mrudul's place. पुढे ना? Ahead.
पुढे.
No network, no. Can't call there.
काय? व्हॉट इज द गर्ल्स नेम?
मृदुल.
मृदुल. मृदुल आडनाव माहितीये?
नाही.
त्यांची ही गाडी लावली आहे ना? हा हा, तर इथे आम्हाला आडनाव त्या मुलीच्या नवऱ्याचं माहितीये, तिचं नाही माहितीये, पण इकडेच असेल. बरं बरं. लॉस्ट आर वे. थँक्यू हा, तुम्ही आम्हाला एवढं सांगितलं आजी. हो हो.
I tried calling you. Right? Yeah. Call from Pooja's number. अच्छा. तेरा गाड़ी देखा तो मालूम पड़ा कि तेरा गाड़ी इधर ही है.
No, it was switched off.
That's Pooja. That's hi. That's Pooja.
Good afternoon, Baba. How are you? yes. Hi, Pooja.
Hello,
How are you?
hello. Nice
Good to see you.
meet
Hi, kashi आहेस?
She's my niece. She was bored, so we got her also.
भजन चालू आहे.
भजन चालू नाही.
आर्टिस्ट.
You might know
नैवेद्य
Naivedya and food and all stuff.
आता अभी विसर्जनच दे ना.
I didn't remember Mrudul's family name.
Hello.
हाँ मिला ही आराम से मिला. Hello. Seeing you after how many years? No, last time कब मिला था? 4 years की शादी. We met no that day at Palava. Palava में मिले थे. No, you were not there. I met only him. हाँ, तेरे को पलावा में मिला. Meeting her after 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Now we are
COVID time.
YouTubers in our house. Yes. That means anything to YouTube. Good like, share, subscribe.
How's mommy and all good?
All good, all good, all good.
Go. Hey, wow. So this is what you're saying about offering and everything?
चालेल मी असंच करते कारण की पाय लागेल.
This is that offering, no?
नैवेद्य.
Naivedya. Jyoti, you're liking it? There's puris also, okay?
पापड खाशील? Okay.
When are you having?
Afterwards.
Afterwards, no?
Yes.
Daddy also will have later?
तुम्ही जेवलात? अजून नाही? तुम्ही नाही जेवलात? नाही. जेवायचं ना.
तुम्ही जेवून घ्या.
तुम्ही जेवून घ्या.
आमच्या घरी पाहुणे आले. पाहुणे जेवण देणार. त्यानंतर आम्ही स्वतः. Yes.
Time to enjoy.
You want?
With pumpkin.
Yes.
Food.
Veg food.
Yes, veg food. खरं सांगा मला व्हेज नाही पचत पण काय करतो पप्पा आहे म्हणून आम्ही ऍडजस्ट करतो.
Since you are traveling, why don't you start travel vlogs and all?
I wish, but I don't have the time. I don't have the skills to edit.
Okay. Editing will take 4 hours. Editing will take 4 hours.
4 hours. No, but I don't have 4 hours.
Chalo, bye, brother. Take care. We'll see you. Bye, bye, bye. So we just had lunch at Adrian and Mrudul's place. Amazing, sweet family, amazing food, and I like that guy because he has it is sorted in his head. Jo bhi hai. What is black, what is white, and such people are amazing. And food, mwah. Pumpkin ka wo bhaji, believe me, I don't like pumpkin. Mummy used to make, if Mama's watching this, sorry to say this, but I've never liked pumpkin bhaji. But this pumpkin bhaji, heavenly. And that puri, I don't know, I lost count of how many puris I had. And I did a sensible thing. I asked them, just give me little rice. So I could have more of those puris. Too good food. Thank you for inviting us. Yes, thank you for inviting us. It's I don't know, the total angels there. That's all I'll say. Sweet, full family, very sweet family.
Even auntie, uncle, everyone.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
But
Made sure we ate a lot.
Lord, yes. So next time, whenever you guys are in Bombay, are coming home,
आणि
spending time.
गरम पुऱ्या
पुरी,
बनवून दिल्या. So really appreciate.
Really. Sure, now we are going back home. Mummy and Daddy are waiting for
But
us.
it's fun to be here.
Yeah, Kudal is a different vibe.
Greenery, weather, local.
Different vibe.
Food, म्हणजे इकडचा साधा डाळ भात पण इतका टेस्टी
लागतो.
It's too good.
And driving on these roads is you need to experience it. That's all I can say.
So जस्ट आता आम्ही एग्स घेतले आणि भरपूर सारे फ्रुट्स आणि आता चाललोय घरी.
What is this you're making?
छोड़ है, इधर कुछ तो खाना रखा है.
दाल लग रहा है मेरे को.
दाल.
This is how they use. Wow. Sure, we can see what they are doing.
काकी तुला लास्ट टाइम व्लॉग मध्ये टाकलेलं तर सगळे बोलली की कुडाळचे आणि मालवणचे व्लॉग खूप चांगले होते. तुला बघितलेलं तुला. आणि हे बघ, हे सगळ्या हे तिघी माझ्या बहिणी जे आता जेवणात बिझी आहेत. आशाताईला विचार, आशाताई काय बनवतेस? खोबरं भाजते.
खोबरं
म्हणजे कोकोनट, ग्रेटेड कोकोनट खोबरं. Number is working. He's asking me. He has 4-5 numbers saved. So I'm telling him कि मैं उधर.
अरे इसका ही पूजा कि दूसरा पूजा है रे.
हाँ?
दूसरा पूजा रहेगा.
मैं किसी को जानता नहीं. कॉन्टैक्ट में किसी को जानता ही नहीं. अभी नहीं.
पूजा भोगले सेव्ड है.
आपण कॅमेरा समोर वगैरे.
बिहाइंड द कैमरा ही ओनली डज मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्क. ही इज एन एडिटर. एंड अभी मैं उसको बोल रही हूँ की व्लॉग घे, तर मला बोलतो कॅमेराच्या पुढे मी नाही काय करणार, बिहाइंड द कॅमेरा मी करणार.
प्रसाद जो लागणार आपल्याला पूजेसाठी जो प्रसाद लागणार ते प्रसाद बनवत आहे.
प्रसाद है क्या?
नहीं, मम्मी ने बना के लाया.
अच्छा.
मैके में ससुराल में पहली बार आई. इधर ले बाबू तुला.
अभी मैं थोड़ा एडिटिंग का ज्ञान ले रही हूँ एडिटर से.
आई एम नॉट एडिटर.
अच्छा, पर एक्सपीरियंस है ना?
हाँ एक्सपीरियंस है बट
नो. DM for stars.
हां, प्लीज. माझी खूप इच्छा आहे की माझ्या भावाचं लवकर लग्न व्हावं. इफ एनीवन इज इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज आम्हाला कमेंट करा.
असं माझी मम्मीने आला सासरे इथे लेकीच्या घरी आली.
डाविंचीला काय बोलत होता?
अरे हो का?
ए हा दादाला पण घे आणि आमचे छोटे छोटे दादाला पण घे. काय खातो? काय मिळालं? बरं नाही. बोले की ऐसे कार्टून आते है मेरी.
Eating, enjoying the laddu. Tasty, no? You can see there is a cow here. We'll show you all that tomorrow. Either tomorrow I'll go and meet them personally. Say, ask how they are. Are you know I love animals, Ray. Mummy is not allowing me to even pet any.
You eat them.
They can be cute, they can be tasty at the same time, so it's okay. And Mummy is not allowing me to pet any wild animals because all the animals will come home then when they are not there, so they don't want that, which is very sad. But it's okay. I understand that. If I walk up every day like this, I'll lose some weight. No, baby? He's still tossing that laddu. Rida, you said you didn't want that.
Run, na, baby, you can fall.
He said he didn't want the laddu and yet he finished up the laddu.
Because you told me to hold it.
This is the house. Daytime it looks so good, so beautiful. Can't believe now I have a place in Kodal. Married a Kodal girl.
Why are you taking this?
You said heart. We are now going to have dinner, and here Pooja and क्या बोलते हैं उसको भजन दर्शन is going. Vibe is different. कैसे हो कृष्ण? हृदय It's okay to take videos and all. It's okay to take videos and all. It's okay to take videos, no? आप क्या कर रहे हो? हे कशाला?
काढून ठेवायचं.
काही ठेवायचं?
काढून ठेवायचं.
काढून ठेवायचं. हाँ ऐसे स्क्रैप करके रख रहे हैं. अच्छा आटा डालता है क्या?
फिर उससे अच्छा आता है.
तो ये आटा है क्या?
हाँ.
दिस इज आटा. ओके. तू काय करतेस मोबाईल मध्ये? तू आमचं ब्लॉग बघतात का? हा
कधी कधी बघ.
कधी कधी.
भेटते तर
This is the feast after having darshan, after having bhajan. Everybody is enjoying it. It's purely veg though, no non-veg served. My baiko, माझी बायको,
माझी पोरगी, माझी पोरगी, माझं जीव की प्राण आहे.
Looking beautiful. Wait, let me take it from top to down.
मिस्टेक है यार.
क्या मिस्टेक?
उसने फिल्म लाइन चूज करना चाहिए था.
हाँ फिल्म लाइन. Why you didn't go? Then मैं नहीं मिलता था ना. Baby, you don't need light only. नहीं लाइट की जरूरत नहीं है बोल रहे मैं.
ये बेबी
on an empty road. Be careful, baby, it's slippery.
हाँ बाबू केयरफुल है.
So I had gone to attend the Aarti, and then I came back home because I had my client's call, and I also had to take baby with me. And now, then Daddy also came asking why haven't you guys come as yet? So now we are going there. You can hear the Aartis happening. Bhajan, sorry. Till now, nobody knows what I'm wearing. Nobody cares what I'm wearing. Nobody cares how I look.
I know you're looking good.
हाँ, but my viewers might be wondering, no, ये तो कि क्या पहना रहेगा and all.
Sorry. Come here, look.
How is that sorry?
Take.
I am good behind the camera only. Only while emceeing, I'm good in the front.
Shreya Kurta, wait.
Kurta, हाँ, this is a new one that I bought.
No one can hear you. भजन का sound ज़्यादा है.
हाँ, it's okay.
ट्विन्स बोलायचो. आता मी किती जाडी झाली आणि ट्विन तुझी दिसत पण नाही. है ना, लहानपणी आम्ही दोघं सेम दिसायचो ना. आपण
माझा रंग थोडा बदललाय.
मी जास्त मेकअप केलाय. काय लावलं?
गुलाबाचं फुल.
पूजा आपण
आत्या बोले ब्लॉग नाही. आत्या
मी बघ ना चेंज करून
काय नाही.
ही माझी बहीण, हिच्या नंतर मी आहे आणि माझ्या नंतर नाना.
तारापूरला राहते.
ही तारापूरला राहते.
बोईसर दिशू के पास. हाँ, गणेश की मम्मी है ये, गण्या की मम्मी. हाँ हो.
नाव आहे.
चला बसा. क्योंकि तू दामाद आहे ना, आता आत्याने सांगितलं तुला वरती बसवायचं. मान आहे तुझा, तू बस. काय नाही, बसेल चालेल. अरे चालेल.
I've been made to sit on the chair and baby, what is this? अरे बट क्या बोलूं अभी मैं. अरे बाप रे.
उठत नाही, सकाळी पाणी भरीत उठत नाही, शेण भरत नाही, जेवण नाही.
आली पूजा आली.
आम्ही दोघी मैत्रिणी माझ्या अशी फुगडी घालली जयश्री गडकर गवरबाई गवार गावली गवार माझ्या अशी फुगडी घालते ललिता पवार.
What is it, Hriday?
both.
Show.
It has got less bulging eyes
Less bulging eyes and
and rough body skin
rough body skin
and short hind legs.
and short hind legs. Wow, lovely, no? Enjoyed the toad? Achi.
Excuse me.
So guys, we just reached home, extremely tired of course. We had an amazing time. You've seen in the vlog, we danced a lot, we had fun, something I have never experienced my entire life. I got to know many of the traditions that was totally unaware to me. And being a Catholic, obviously at first it's scary, but then once you get to know it, you also understand, you start blending with it, and there's nothing wrong in that. I had an amazing time. In the afternoon, we had gone for lunch at Adrian Mills' place. So there it started off really very good, and from there the entire day went an amazing. Satyanarayan Puja, amazing, and then the bhajan. Believe me, that vibe is totally different, and you need to experience that in Kodal. There's nothing more to say to that. Baby, you want to add in from your side?
Nothing.
You're also tired now.
Enjoy. Yeah, I was also enjoying. म्हणजे मी असं कधी एक्सपेक्ट नव्हतं केलं की आम्ही गणपती इथे येऊ. हे सगळे खूप सडन प्लॅन्स होते. बट आय एम ग्लॅड वी केम हिअर. आणि माझी आता हीच इच्छा राहील की दरवर्षी आम्ही ऍटलीस्ट ट्राय करू की गणपतीला इथे यावं.
Yes, Hriday, you had a good time?
Yes.
You're also tired now? Now you're also sleepy, right? Okay, so we'll end the vlog. असा होता आजचा हा आजचा दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा,
कमेंट करा,
शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.